Yo, it's your boy KB aka the Drip Moses, and we are back with another banger video. So today I'm with the beautiful Stacy T Mwale. The name is in the description box. I know you guys will be hunting her. The name is in the description box. Make sure to follow her and stampede the Facebook profile and stuff. Yeah, so let's go. So today we're doing a Zambian local taste snack challenge. I saw this on Lombe's YouTube channel, and you can follow Lombe also on YouTube. That's Lombe Posa. Lombe Posa, that's her name. I'll put it in the description box. So make sure to like and subscribe before this video starts. Like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so that every time I release a video, you guys can be able to see and view more banger videos. So yeah, let's go. Before we start, like I'm from touching all these packs, so we need them handsome China.
Sanitizer.
Yeah. Keep sanitizing, you guys.
Yeah.
Corona is real, bro. Yeah. So we'll start with Amelios. Yeah, Amelios, so you can have a soup. So be rating them from 1 to 10. Okay. Yeah, I'm also joined by my young brother and the gang, so you guys can also rate these. How does it taste? Okay. I give it a 6.
For me, I give it a 5.
Alright. Because it's cool. I don't like cheese, but yeah, it's cool. I give it a 5. So that's cheese. So the next Tinga Tinga. Yeah, so this is made in Zambia as well. You can open it. Yeah. And this is Tinga Tinga. Okay. I get why these are for kids. They're bad for me. Like, I give them a 1 out of 10. I don't know about you.
For me, I give it a 7 because I like Tinga Tinga a lot. Yeah, so I give it a 7.
Okay, if you're watching this Tinga Tinga, you have to change your strategy. Okay, it's for kids, but you have to make for grown-ups. For me, it's a 2 or a 1. Okay, I'll give you a 2. Just for the aftertaste, it's okay. Oh, that's it, isn't it?
For me, I give them a 3.
Yeah. The next one. I'm leaving the hip hop for last. I know the hip hop slaps. I know. Alright. So what are these? Popico, something like Popico. They're made by what company? Chico. No. Amigo. It's Amigo.
Yeah.
It's Amigo Zambian. Yeah. I think it's Zambian. It's a Zambian country. Zambian.
Oh my God!
Zambian product. Sorry. Yeah. The aftertaste though. I think these are actual popcorns or what?
Can I bring
Like, how
salt?
are they?
They don't have any flavor, so
Can I bring salt?
I give it a 0.
Nah.
I can bring salt for you guys.
Wait. Nah. I give this a 0.
Tasteless, guys, tasteless.
What? Alright. These are okay with me. I'll give them a 3 out of a 10. They are. Oh yeah. The next one. What are these called?
The Yamini nuts.
Yamini nuts. Okay, the Yamini nuts are also probably Zambian. So yeah. Majigis. That's what we call them, but yeah, Zambian nuts. I don't know. Why I don't like jiggies? I used to eat them a lot when I was young. So, hmm, okay. All right. What's your rating?
I give the mini nuts an 8 because yeah, I love jiggies a lot. Yeah, in the flavor, the same. Yeah.
All right. Okay. As in for me, I give him a 4. Cause yeah, they are chewy, and I don't know about the what is it, the popico or something, like they expired or something. That's why they taste so weird. But yeah, the next ones are actually good guys. This this slaps. This is amazing, you guys. It's called Eastern Stobwa. So yeah, this guy this is nice. You know. Oh, amazing. All right. So the next one is let me try this. Okay. So we are switching from snacks like jiggies and oh no wait, forgot one person here. This one hip hops. Oh my god, I've tasted this before and let me just explore.
Yeah.
These are nice. So yeah, you can open them. So there are two flavors here. This one and this one. So we only open one. These are nice. I give them a 10 out of all these.
I give it a 9. From serious, I give it a 9 because it isn't that okay for me on my part. I don't like it that much, but I love the flavor. I love the packaging, by the way.
She's a hater.
So, no, I'm not. Okay, I give it a 9.
I give it a 11. The one that she's missing, so it's 11 for this. Oh guys, keep making this. This is nice. This is really nice. I'm not giving this to you guys.
Nah, you have to bring has to come here, bro.
Nah, man. Yeah, so.
Don't finish. Bring them here.
You're allergic to sugar or something.
No.
This is for sweet people, you know. This is very nice. Alright, so the next thing is so this is the energy drink. I love energy drinks, so that's why I'm always hyper. Alright. So this is the Mojo. Yeah, we're trying out the Mojo. I love Mojo. You guys should buy this. You guys should buy this. It's a nice, very, very nice energy drink. You should buy this. Yeah, Mojo energy drink. And most of these.
I was waiting for the hip hop, bro.
They're good, right?
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah.
I give them a 10.
Alright, so yeah, rating?
For the Mojo,
Yeah,
I'll go for a 10.
a 10.
Oh, guys, this is nice, but I wouldn't advise you to give them to kids. Yeah, kids, because it's got caffeine in it. It's an energy drink, so yeah, I give it a 10.
Alright, I give it an 8. So I don't know. She said 10. For me, it's 8. I love it, but you know, it's not like vodka or something. But yeah, it's nice. So I give it an 8.
But it tastes like vodka, so and it's nice, guys. It's nice.
Yeah, sure. It's nice.
And it's affordable. Just 2 kwacha 15 way.
It's 4 quarter per place.
4 kwacha.
Yes. My head.
So
Oh yeah. So the next we have Fruticana. Open the Fruticana one. Yeah, let's try Fruticana.
this one is best, guys.
All right. Okay. That's in it. It's like yamba. You know, yamba what? Yamba. It's very nice. Let's not cut the chase. I give it a 10. The 10 is very nice. Like Victory is really doing it for me. It's a 10 for me.
Yeah, it's also a 10 for me.
Alright, so yeah, there you have it. It's a 10 for her and also a 10 for me. So this food is nice, you guys. I wish you were here. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You. Yeah. So let's go. What's next? Let's try Milky. No, you. As in you taste this one. No me. You have to shake it.
Yes.
You have to shake.
Break
Like
the better.
yeah. Okay. So yeah, let's try out this. So I'm gonna let you taste it first, then tell me the rating, then I'll taste a bit. Like go in here. Real dudes don't use straws.
You
Real dudes. So if you use straws, you
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day to you. How is it?
It's nice. I give new kids an 8 because the flavor. Okay, because of the flavor, yeah. So I give it an 8.
So which one is better? This one or
The chocolate one.
chocolate one? Oh, I thought of getting the chocolate one. You know, like just taste it. So. Okay. That's not nice.
What?
5. It's a 5 for me. It's a 5 for me, you guys.
What?
I need water, you know. It's a 5 for me. No. I need water. How can you mix the banana with water? It's not nice.
It's
I give it a
healthy.
5.
It's healthy for kids.
Or for kids.
Yeah, for kids. Yeah.
Why do I keep on buying stuff like
I
that?
am saying I'm a kid. I just love it. Okay,
I'm
I
not a
love
kid.
kid stuff.
I'm 30 years old, you guys. 30 years old.
Nah.
Yeah. So yeah, we're trying out the last of the drinks. Like I know it slaps. I know this one. This one is nice. I know this one is nice. I know. It just sorry, you can open that.
Oh, fresh shake.
You.
Shaky.
All right. That's what I'm talking about. I give it a 10. This is nice. This is really nice. Yeah. Like what are we making that again? Big trip. What?
Trade Kings.
Trade Kings. Okay, let's say Trade Kings. You guys are doing it for me. I give it a 10. What number do you give it?
I give it a 9.
9.
Yeah.
Okay, may I give it 11, guys. Yes. I give it an 11. Alright, so we are done with the drinks. Now we're going to the biscuits and stuff. So we only have 2 apparently. So which one will you start with? The big boss or the
No, we'll go for the monster.
no, the monster cream? Yeah.
I did it.
All right. Okay. This is really nice. Yeah. It's an 8 for me.
It's a 7 for me.
All right. Why did you say 7?
Because, okay, it's crunchy, yeah.
Mm.
it's hard to chew.
It's a
For me,
biscuit.
it's hard to chew because I'm trying to eat in person. I don't even know why. I can manage to eat first. You guys are watching. Yeah, so I give it a 7.
In fact, I've changed my mind. It's a 9 for me. This is nice. So yeah, that's that. It's a 9 for me. Now, yeah, we're at the. Oh no, it's made by Chelsea. Huh? What? Choc melts.
You guys are chocolate.
Choco melts. Alright, okay, sure. So,
It's made by Chelsea biscuits. Yeah, Chelsea biscuits. It's nice, guys.
you tasted it before?
Yeah, I have, especially the one with the mint one.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So, let's see. Don't try this at home, you guys.
Get go.
Woo! Ooh la la. Roll this first. I like the smell. Is it allowed to smell food, you guys?
No, it's not.
It's not. It's not.
Alright. Hey, Jesus Christ.
Dude, you have a lady beside you.
Okay? Oh. It's really nice. I think of all the things we've tasted here, this is the grand finale, you guys. This, this is very nice. So they're not going to give this to that guy over there because it's expensive.
Stacy can pass me the
It's
master.
expensive. Okay. What do you think?
Guys, I give it a 20. I know it's a 0 out of 10, but I give it a 20. It's very too nice.
Okay. Okay, so I give it 100. It's very nice. So, like this is something like nice I've tasted for the day. Thank you much for watching. That's what we had. So we'll be doing a giveaway from this. Now make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share to the Valley, the Tonga, the Ila, the Lenje, the Bemba, the Mbunda, whatever tribe you are, you guys, with respect, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Make sure to follow her on
Facebook.
At Stacy Timwale. Okay, yeah. So make sure to follow her and give her a thumbs up, you guys. Comment on what you want to see next on this channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. And what person do you want me next to like feature and stuff? Yeah, big ups to you, my nigga back there. I see you with big eyes and big ass head. Make sure to like and subscribe one more time. Yeah, thank you for watching. We are out.
Don't like I'm the reason that pretend to be alike. I run myself a stick, we headed south, no post, a stack of pig. I'm so unique, I walk the walk, nigga, I still run the streets. I still got pig, I still got lit, I still got chicks, I still got I still got everything I pray for. My life